I have a duty as a man to go get the sustenance, the food on the table.
Remember last duck hunting trip? You came back with 0.
Bring on the fire, bring on the rain. Nothing can take you down.
My Gunner. Because I caught you singing to your dog.
Sing, I don't sing to the gunner. I don't sing to gunner at all. I don't sing to the gunner at all.
What time does that clock say? 1:10 a.m. Gunner's like, I'm going back to bed. I've had it.
I'm with you, buddy.
1:10 a.m. and my honey's up getting ready to go hunting.
Oh, whose idea was this?
Not mine. Remember last duck hunting trip? You came back with 0.
Why do you have to be hurtful to me?
So there wasn't much sustenance. I could have starved.
This is the last hunting trip of the season for ducks. It's a special trip, as a matter of fact. It's a special trip for active duty military veterans.
Nice. So to make it the story short, you're up at 1:10 a.m. to go hunting.
Yes. Now you can see my face. Now you can't see my face.
Yeah, he's Mr. Hunter Man. Mr. Big Hunter.
All right.
You're gonna roll with that gun.
It's gonna be a trick. I'm full of tricks.
Well, you put it down on your foot plate.
Let's go kill some ducks. Gunner, you gotta stay at home on this one, okay, buddy?
Gunner's gonna be sad. He's not going.
You gotta stay home on this one.
You're not a hunting dog, Gunner. You don't like the big shots.
Yeah. And that camouflage netting is in the passenger seat?
Yep.
All right.
And there, right there, next door is the camper van.
2 vans. 1 home. Dun, dun, dun. All right, I will let you...
But he's not staying the night, so he's bringing the minivan. Want me to hold the gun?
Trust me. I work for the government. I'm here to help you.
Gunner, you're not gonna go this time, buddy. I know. Uh-oh, he's... He's like, I go everywhere with Dad.
You always take me, Derek.
You gonna stay with Mom, Gunner. Gunner, you're gonna stay with Mom, okay? You don't like any gunshots. You're not a hunting dog.
But you're a killer.
But you're a good service dog, just not a hunting dog.
But you're a killer. Hi, buddy. I love you, buddy. You sit. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Who's the baby? Who's the baby? Who's daddy's baby? Who's daddy's baby? I know. You gotta stay here and protect on your mom, okay?
Dad's gotta get on the road. Come on, Gunner. Good boy. Do you have your papers?
Yeah, they're under my chair.
Got your hunting permit and all that?
Everything's under the chair.
All right. I'll hold down the fort. See you later, Gator.
Thank you, Honeybell.
I'll give you your water. Maybe you should have taken extra water.
I'm going to Mendota, not the Sahara Desert.
But you're going to be all day hunting.
Well, hopefully I'm done in about 2 hours. I limit out.
Oh.
I get my 7 ducks and I'm done.
All right. Love you.
you.
See you later. Bye.
Okay. Outside. This is how close we could pull up to the duck blind at the Mendota National Wildlife Refuge. Because we're disabled, they let us drive up right to the blinds. It's a fantastic opportunity for those who are disabled. This is Gunter. It's my buddy from high school. He's helping me. He's a retriever today. The morning when we went into the blind, but it was darker than night. This is a nice look from us inside, looking out over the wetlands. And we sat here. And we sat here. And we sat here. You'll hear Gunter's calling. He's calling pintail, mallards, everything we can think of. And then we did have about a half-hour dry spell. No birds are flying. Such is the hunting life.
You on TV? Oh, wow. Holy crap, what the hell just happened here? Next.
Gunner, are you sad that you have to stay home with your mom? You miss Dad. You miss Dad. He goes somewhere without you. Isn't that sad? Are you a sad dog? Poor Gunner. It's a baby. He's so poor. He said, oh, my dad left me and I don't like it. He's feeling sorry for himself right now. Are you excited? Is Dad home? Is Dad home? Oh, where's Dad? Oh, are you excited? Dad's home? Are you excited to see? Oh, he's all black.
Connor, hi, buddy.
You look funny.
I'm so tired.
But did you get any? 4?
I got 4 ducks. Connor, where you been, buddy?
He's been waiting all day for you at the door. He's like, why didn't you take me?
I'm tired.
You love the camo face. Nobody can see you at all. You disappeared.
Look at I'm like a ghost. Ooh, you can't see me.
So you got 4 birds?
I got 4 birds. 5 if you count this one.
Oh my God, you're crazy. But at least you got some birds. Unlike your last duck hunting trip. He said, Dad's home.